In this video, we are going to explore how we can utilize Google AI Studio as our private tutor, available to us 24/7 at free of cost, and who doesn't get bored with our questions. You can ask as many questions as you want to your tutor. We are going to explore this using two diverse use cases. First one on video editing, and the second one on creating visualization based on some data from a Google Sheet. Every day I am using Google AI Studio, I am realizing how more powerful it is. This is your landing page in Google Analytics Studio. We will be using this feature called Stream for this video. So once we click on Stream, you need to quickly define a few configurations on the right hand side of the screen. Select your model first. It's available Gemini 2.0/001, so you don't have any option. Then output format, audio plus text. So for this use case, we'll be using this format. The other available format is text. We are not going to use it here. Voice you can change with the option that's available. So for this video, I'm going to use the default one. So actually, this is the voice when you talk to AI Studio. So the voice you select here will be used to interact with you when you talk to Google AI Studio. In the language, you can either use English or there are many other languages available, and hopefully your native language might be also available here, like Arabic, Bengali, Hindi. Those languages are available here. So you can go and choose the language you want to communicate. If you are new to Google AI Studio, please click on the I button and watch the video on my channel that covers the step-by-step guide for the most important features in Google AI Studio that will help you to start with. Now for the first use case, I am using Filmora editor and I have a small click open there. Once you are in Stream, you can see these options: talk, webcam, and share screen. For today's use cases, I will be using the third option. So I click here and then share the screen where I have Filmora opened. Now sometimes you get this connection failed. I have seen most of the time it's due to a poor network connectivity on my side, and if I try this 2-3 times, I normally get this working. As you can see here, stream is live. Hey Google, can you help me to reduce the speed of the clip you can see in Filmora?
You would like help to reduce the speed of the clip in Filmora. Do you want me to guide you through the steps?
Yes, exactly.
Okay. First, double-click on the clip in the timeline to open the editing panel. Then, in the editing panel, look for the speed or duration setting. It's usually represented by a speedometer icon. Finally, adjust the speed slider to reduce the speed of the clip. You see the speed settings there.
No, I cannot locate the speed setting. Can you tell me where exactly it is?
Got it. In the editing panel on the right side, do you see the video tab at the top?
Yes.
Okay, click on that and then scroll down until you find the speed or speed duration option. Is it there?
Yeah, I can find a speed option here.
Great. Now use the slider to decrease the speed. To what percentage are you planning to reduce the speed?
50%.
Okay, does it play at the speed you want now?
Yeah, that looks to be good. I need one more help. At the beginning of the clip, I just want to add one transition. Can you help me with that?
Okay, it seems that you want to add a transition effect to the beginning of the clip. Is that right?
Yes, that's correct.
All right. Click on the Transitions tab at the top of the screen. From there, you can browse different transition effects. Do you want me to keep guiding you through the process?
Just tell me, I am looking for a black screen transition. Can you tell me for which one I search for?
In the search bar, under the Transitions tab, you can type black screen or black fade to find relevant transitions. Alternatively, the black screen transition is already visible under the History section.
What is the history section, by the way?
The History section displays the transitions you've used recently or searched for in the past. It provides a quick way to reapply those transitions without searching for them again.
I don't see any history here.
Got it. Seems like history might be empty or not visible at the moment. You can try the search option. Did you find the black screen transition you were looking for through search?
I search for black fade and I get something I get a fade option. Is it the same? Like, can I use that?
Alright, is that transition working for you?
Let me try.
The fade option will transition the clip by gradually increasing or decreasing its opacity. You can use that one or any other that you like.
Yeah, I think it works.
To add it, drag the transition to the very beginning of your clip in the... Sure, let me know how it goes, or if you have any other questions.
No, nothing else on this. Thank you very much. Now you click on stop recording and then stop, and then you cancel the stream
You're
live.
welcome. If you need assistance,
You are done. So you can see like how easy it is to explore any software you want to do with the help of Google AI Studio. For the communication you already had with AI Studio, you can just go and click on three dots and you get the option to download the audio, or you can playback that with the defined speed option also. Now I'm going to the second use case where I have some data in a Google Sheet and we'll try to create a visualization in the Google Sheet with help from Google AI Studio. As you can see, I have some test data in a Google Sheet, that's customer ID, country, month, year, sales. Now you're going to click on share screen and then share the screen where I have this Google Sheet opened. Now stream is live.
how can I help you with your Google Sheet?
Can you just see that Google Sheet? I have some data over there, the sales data. Can you see the columns in the data sheet?
Yes, I see the Google Sheet with the data. It includes columns for customer ID, country, month, year, and sales in dollars. What would you like to do with this data?
What I need to do exactly is that I want to create a visualization within the Google Sheet that represents the country-wise sales trend over month.
To clarify, you would like to create a visualization within the Google Sheet that shows the sales trend over time, broken down by country. Is that right?
That's correct.
Okay. To create this visualization, I recommend using a pivot table. Would you like me to guide you through the steps?
I don't think pivot table is a good option. I just want to see this as a line graph maybe, and that represent the trend better.
No problem. I can help you create a line graph to visualize the sales trend by country over month. First, select the data range, including the columns country, month, and sales. Then click Insert and choose Chart, and then select Line Chart. Would you like me to continue guiding you through the steps?
Let me try this out quickly.
Let me know if you get stuck or have any questions along the way.
I get a bar chart. How do I change this bar chart to a line chart?
Sure. In the Chart Editor panel on the right, under the Setup tab, there should be a Chart Type drop-down menu. Click on it and select Line Chart from the options.
In the line chart, I can see three options. One line chart, then I have smooth line chart, and then combo chart. Which one you recommend?
Since you're going to visualize the sales trend over time, I would recommend the regular line chart for a straightforward view or the smooth line chart if you prefer a more flowing trend line.
Okay, let me see this. Yeah, this looks good. Only thing is like, can I change the color of the line?
Yes, you can change the color of the line. Go to the Customize tab in the Chart Editor. Scroll down to the Series section. Here, you can select the data series you want to modify. After selecting a series, you'll find options to change its color, line thickness, and other visual attributes. Does this make sense?
Yeah, that's good. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can assist you with regarding this chart or your Google Sheet?
No, nothing else for today. Thank you. I wanted to cover one with Google software, another one is not from Google. Just wanted to see like how AI Studio can help both of them. This was just for demo purpose, but if you're exploring a new thing you're trying to learn, I think this is going to be very useful. This is a completely free platform, and I think for sure we should take advantage of this to learn anything we want. If you like this video, please press the like button and share your feedback in the comment section. For more such content, please visit my YouTube channel Darktopia and Dreams and subscribe.